You will single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then you will use the next 2 stitches to attach the fins. So when you pick up the fin, you're going to want to make sure that the tail goes inside the body and the right side will be up. So have the top of the fin touch the shell and go through that first stitch near the tails and then go through the body. So you go through the fin first and then the body. And then make sure that the fin is up. You single crochet like you normally would. Then you go through the second stitch of the fin and then through the body and single crochet as you normally would. You want to make sure those single crochets are under the fin because you'll use them on the next round. Then you're going to single crochet 3 times. And then pick up the second fin, again making sure the tails are going inside the body, and you're going to put your hook through that first stitch near the tails and then through the body. Again, making sure that fin is up, touching the shell as you single crochet. Through the next stitch, each fin takes 2 stitches to attach and single crochet. Now we're going to single crochet in the next stitch. And then the next 4 are going to be attaching the bottom of the head. So find that first stitch available at the bottom of the head and single crochet, and do the same in each stitch across the head. And then once you've done that, you're going to single crochet 1 time in the body. Then we're going to attach the third fin. On this side, we're going to go through the second stitch away from the tails first. So go through that, and then you're going to go through the body. Again, making sure that the top of the fin is touching the shell, and get those tails under there, and just single crochet as normal. And then you're going to go through that top stitch of the fin and then through the body. And then single crochet like you normally would. And now single crochet 3 more times. And then we're going to attach the last fin. Again, make sure you're that second stitch away from the tails. Tuck the tails away. Apologize, this one is not as clear on camera as I'd like, but I'm still going to talk you through it. And then you're going to go through that top stitch of the fin, and then you're going to single crochet in the last 2 stitches. One of those stitches will be where your stitch marker is. Then you're ready for your next round, and this is how it will look once they're all attached.